In this video, I will show you how to invest in index funds on Trading 212. So what you want to do is open up Trading 212 and from there just click on the search icon in the bottom and then at the top click on the search bar. Now from here, if you already have an index fund that you want to invest in, just type in the name such as the Vanguard S&P 500 or whatever other one you would like to invest in. Now of course, first you will want to do some research to find one that you want to invest in. What you could also do is, for example, search for Vanguard and you will find a bunch of index funds made by Vanguard, such as the FTSE All World High Dividend, S&P 500 at the top, emerging markets, etc. You can also search for a specific country, such as China, and then you will also find some index funds for China, such as the iShares one right here. And if you then click on it and scroll down, you can also see what holdings are in here. Now you can only see the top 10 here. If you click view all, you will see the rest as well. Now for example, I'll go with the Vanguard S&P 500 since that's a pretty popular one. And just go to the one that you want and click on buy in the bottom. And then here you can choose how much you want to buy. Now I've already deposited some money. For example, I'll do 0.28. Now you can then click review order. And then if the market is open right now, then it will execute pretty much instantly. If it's not, then you will need to wait for the market to open. But you can see there's no commission, but there will probably be a forex fee if you are from a different country. If you have a different currency, then the S&P 500 right here is in. So in this case, that's the British pounds. But just go and click on send buy order if you want to purchase it. And from there, it will then go through when the market opens. And then you will have invested in that index fund. And you will then also be able to find it in your portfolio right here. So for example, I actually have a pie with a few index funds right here. Now, of course, this is not financial advice, but that is how you can invest in index funds on Trading 212. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.